Alright, y'all, we're going to run Monica's teeth whitening set. There are 45 spots at $1 a spot. Oops. Let's copy our list and go live at 9:50. It is 9:50. Let's paste our list. We have 45 spots. We need a 4 or higher. We have a 9, a 5, and a 4. Here we go for the first time at 9:51. After the first time, there are 45 items. Cassie is on top, Naomi's on bottom. The dice calls for a 9, so here we go at 9:51. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8th time, there are 45 items on the list. Toya is on top. Noelle is on bottom. We've randomized 8 times. The dice, 5 or 4, calls for a 9. Here we go for the last time at 9:51. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 5, Miss Toya, you are the winner. Congratulations. There were 45 items on our list, and here are all 45 items. We randomized 9 times. The dice did call for a 9. We are done at 9:52. It is 9:52. Congratulations to spot number 5, Miss Toya.